here's a look at the Dubai fountain, how you'll never see it after October 2025. They're doing it over. They're putting new lights in, they're going to install a new sound system, and they're going to have a whole new show because the same show has been going on for quite some time. So they decided to finally redo the show. Kind of a bummer for people who have come here for the first time and want to see the spectacular Dubai fountain show. There's the Dubai Mall right there, and this is the fountains. As you can see with that guy walking, how big this really is. But it expands way over there. It's quite spectacular when it's operational. I mean, it was the best I've seen ever before, and now they're going to be making it even better. So kudos to them for doing so. When we come here next time, this new show will be in action, and Dubai Mall there, and then the Burj Khalifa is right here. So even people up there on the deck for the Burj experience are no longer seeing nice blue water and a show. They're seeing just what we're seeing now is cement. I don't see a lot of work going on right now, so I guess this is still in the beginning stages. But once again, this will be operational in October of 2025.